Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to get free Robux in Roblox 2024.
With Robux, you can do anything. You can get accessories, game passes, private servers, and more. So why wouldn't you want free Robux?
Robux number 1.
So with way number 1, basically you should enter a bunch of giveaways, Discord servers. If you see anyone who says Robux, literally jump as long as they're trustable and you have proof. You can do this on YouTube just by following what I'm doing, and this basically shows you what is more recent and maybe what has a few views, so you have a higher chance of winning the giveaway. Way number 2 is creating a Roblox game and adding game passes or anything that a user can purchase. If you want a fully functioning game, you can do it by watching a few tutorials and learning how to script, or you can just create one and add it for your please donate me like little icon where people can pay for it. And on the screen I'm currently just showing you how to go ahead with making your game pass. In giveaways, YouTubers often use donation games, and there's a lot on Roblox, so you can just use them for yourself instead and just advertise and say please like your life depends on it, and eventually you should be able to get some Robux. You can also create classic clothing like shirts, pants, t-shirts and sell them, although I do believe that this situation is give and take where it takes Robux to publish them, though I'm not entirely sure if it's the same within 2024. Finally, the best for last and the most guaranteed is Microsoft Rewards, where basically after doing a few daily tasks, side quests, you're able to get points which you can use to redeem a bunch of Robux ranging from around 400, 100 to at least 1,000. It's pretty beneficial. Just keep a streak and stay with it.